The intricacies of changing the battery and screen of an Apple Watch Series 3? Fear not, for this video will break down the process into manageable steps for you to follow. Commence by carefully removing the old screen assembly from your Apple Watch Series 3. To do this, you'll first need to disconnect the display cables. Once disconnected, proceed to gently lift off the screen. Now the stage is set for the new screen assembly. Align it meticulously with the watch, ensuring the cables are properly connected. A gentle but firm press will secure the screen in its rightful place. Remember, patience and precision are the keys. It's not a race, but a journey. So take your time and ensure each step is executed correctly. If you find yourself